guys, Fuzzy back here. Okay, you guys, we're going to do a review on the WAHL hair clipping blade oil. Now, this is a big jar, right? It's 4 ounces or 120 mils, so it's a pretty big jar. Now, what I do with these is fill the small ones that come with your razor, okay? So, you can use this kind of oil for, a cutting or even honing. It would help in honing. It's not a honing oil, but it definitely will help, okay? Sharpen things like that. But definitely works for a razor. I poke a little hole in here, okay? Now, if this ever spills, it's going to run out less. Now, these things don't seal perfectly all the time. It does have a seal inside here. I think I gotta show you that. But there's a seal inside there too, right? You can see it there, that white thing. Now, that seals down on top of there. But I'll tell you what, I don't trust that kind of thing. But anyway, so you just take this off and you want to just fill that up. Now, you got to make sure you cut the hole big enough so this can go inside here, okay? All right, so that's one thing you can do with it. And it's going to last you a long time, all right? Always oil your stuff, I'll tell you what. All right, that's my review. Thanks for coming.